Hey everybody, Brad here on Nelson Ridge Farm. Good morning. Today's a rainy day in Tennessee. We need the rain. I could do some second cutting hay, but I may not get to it with the rain. I may just bush hog it, but we'll see about that later in a different video. Today's just a chores day, and it's a happy day. We're celebrating Scarlett's 13th birthday. So she had a birthday a couple weeks ago, but she wants to have a couple friends over, and they want to watch Pirates of the Caribbean in the barn. So we got to try to put up a sheet, and Lacey's got a projector, and we'll get the generator. We're going to see how all that works. But right now I got to feed the horses, and I'll clean out the barn just a little bit, maybe make way for that. So stay with us. Thank y'all. We'll let the old Workmaster 75 New Holland warm up a little bit. It's cold. It's 73 degrees. Little bit rainy. I'm going to use the back hay spear. I got the bucket on the front. I need the bucket on later on, so I'll just try to feed them with the spear in the back. Remind me to tell you about that other spear. I got to put it back on. A customer found it in a hay bale. Well, I got square bales on this side because the round baler broke. That's the only reason we have those. And round bales back there. Maybe Lacey was thinking about like trying to hang a sheet. And then maybe right here we have like put some square bales down. And I could run the generator back the cord outside so it wouldn't be too loud. Something like that. I don't have to clean out too much. This is junky, but we're gonna live with it. I think I'll come back up here and do that. Let me feed the horses first. Real quick while I'm up here, look at these. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Can you see that steam coming off these wood chip piles? It's hot in there. Really appreciate the wood chip piles from the tree service.
Just like Nashville, Cromwell Media continues to grow. Marketing campaigns, 102.9 The Buzz, ESPN 102.5 The Game, 94.9 The Fan, or Sports Talk 8:30 a.m. All new totally hits 93.3 FM, 102.1
More wood piles.
Together, email me.
I mean wood chip piles. I ran out of room up top, so I had to put some down here. Horses are up there. There's a good compost pile right there. Somebody bought that. I just haven't delivered yet. One of our, I call him neighbors. He's 6 or 8 minutes away, but he likes all that. And then got another compost pile starting right there. What's hey, boy? Hey, Donner. Hey, Donner. Do your rubbing. Yep. Make sure everybody knows it's yours. I don't have anything. I don't have anything. You got something in your eyes. Yep, rub on it, Dutch. Hi, guys. Hi, Duchess. Yep. Nobody know it? Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, Duchess. I'll wait till I get the spear on the front to move the hay ring down here. They won't hurt this bell too much. And it's kind of laying on its side. All right, guys, it's good to see y'all. Bye, Duchess. Bye, Montana. Bye, Donner. They're liking that. Go see if I can find our missing spear. Yeah, so I took a load of hay. Actually, I took 4 loads of hay, so 44 bales of hay to a customer. I think it was on the first load. He looked up and saw a spear sticking out of a hay bale. He goes, "That's your spear?" Or he's like, "What is that?" And we both looked. He goes, "I think it's a spear." He goes, "That's your spear?" So I said, "I don't know." And I thought it was my, I was like, it does not look like my spear. I was thinking the front one, but I came back home and it was off the back. That was sticking about that far out of the one of the hay bales up on top. I'm so glad he saw it. Chicken's playing soccer. Hey, girl. Hi. Get you a drink. Look here. All right, we're getting ready for Scarlett's movie in the barn, but putting the screen up now. Thank you, older sister Stella. And I appreciate everybody watching. If you will, like the video, subscribe to the channel. That'll help us. Thank y'all. Thanks for doing chores with us today.
Happy birthday to you.